Hey everyone, it's me Win. I just got the Amazon Echo, and I just installed the lights, so it's pretty cool. Check out some of the cool features from Alexa. For example, Alexa, what's the weather outside?
Right now in Anaheim it's 57 degrees with clear skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 72 and a low of 50.
Alexa, will it rain this week?
Possibly. Each day of the next 7 days in Anaheim has between a 10 and 66% chance of rain. Expect a total of about half an inch.
Alexa, who is the 10th President of the United States?
The 10th U.S. President was John Tyler.
Alexa, play Hello by Adele.
Hello by Adele from Prime Music.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all
Alexa,
these years at last...
play Mr. Brightside.
Mr. Brightside by The Killers from Prime Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's 1,256,000 divided by 8?
1,256,000 divided by 8 is 157,000.
Alexa, who's the most famous porn star?
Jenna Jameson is the most famous porn star.
Alexa, how tall is Napoleon?
Napoleon's height is 5 feet and 7 inches, 169 centimeters.
Alexa, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
A woodchuck would chuck about 700 pounds of wood on a good day with the wind at his back.
That's pretty cool. That's some of the things you can do with Alexa. And now I can show you, I installed one of the light switch so I can command her to turn off and on the lights. Alexa, turn on the den lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the den lights.
Okay.
See, that's pretty cool. So for example, if you're coming home and you have 2 kids on each arm, or your hands is full with grocery bags, she can actually hear you when you're in a different room. So let's say you're coming home and the lights are off and you're like, Alexa, turn on the den lights.
Okay.
See, that's pretty cool. So you can go in, your hands are free, you don't have to turn on the light switch, and then when you walk out of the room, you can say, Alexa, turn off the den lights. Alexa, turn off the den lights.
That command doesn't work on device den lights.
Alexa, turn off the den lights.
Okay.
There you go. It's I said dim lights instead of den lights. So anyhow, that's pretty cool. One last thing. Let's see here. Alexa, tell me a joke.
It was hard getting over my hokey pokey addiction, but I've turned myself around.
Alexa, can you tell me another joke?
Why was the sand wet? Because the seaweed.
Okay, so anyhow, Alexa, who's your daddy?
I was made by a team of inventors at Amazon.
All right. Well, anyhow, that's pretty cool. Let me try that light switch one more time. Alexa, turn on the den lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the den lights.
Okay.
Bam.